In this video, you will learn how to make a pre-auth and ticket transaction. To understand this process better, let's break this video into two parts. First, we'll initiate a pre-auth transaction. Then, complete it with a ticket transaction. Let's start with the pre-auth transaction. First, click on the fan menu here and select Pre-auth. The amount you enter will be held temporarily until it is completed using a ticket transaction. So, enter the amount. Then, click OK. Next, ask the customer to either scan or manually enter their card details. The pre-auth transaction is now complete. Now, let's see how you can complete this transaction using a ticket. The ticket transaction is used to retrieve the amount that was held temporarily in pre-auth. Using a ticket, you can process that amount and complete the transaction. To do this, click on the fan menu here and select Ticket. Here, you will find the pre-auth transaction you just made. Select the transaction and click here. If you wish, you can modify this amount and add tips to it as well. A breakup screen will appear to display the transaction details. Click on Proceed. Then, tap here to complete the transaction. Thanks for watching.